Good morning, everyone. I wanted to film a little weekend in my life this weekend. It's Friday and I am sitting outside on my balcony. It is such a beautiful day. I actually can't believe how nice it is right now. I think it's 81 degrees. The ocean breeze is coming in. I'm just really happy. We actually just did Secret Santa as a team, so everyone on the Rella team just did a Secret Santa, and I ended up getting a Lululemon everyday pouch. It's one of those fanny packs. It hasn't come in yet, so you know what, we gotta get better at the whole Secret Santa thing because it should have come in by now, but that's okay. My co-founder Connor was my Secret Santa, so I thought that was a great gift. And then I actually got Tess, who is one of our designers, a craft cocktail making kit. So it had margarita, old fashioned, and Moscow Mule mixes, and I think each of the mixes can make 12 drinks. You just obviously provide the alcohol, and it looked really good. I might get one for myself because that looked like a really good cocktail maker. It had really good reviews too, and I've been trying to get more into making drinks and cool things like that, so I don't know, I really liked it. But today I am having a pretty chill work day. I'm just working out here on my laptop, and then I actually have a few calls, not too many. Main objective is connecting with people, trying to speak to investors and form relationships with them. I kind of took a back seat on raising money for a little bit. We did a friends and family round, and now we're actually going towards VC firms, actual investment firms and investment groups, and trying to just form relationships with them. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it's been just really nice sitting out here. This is what I needed. I needed to work out here. This was so freaking nice. That's what I'm doing, and then hopefully having a fun weekend. Alright, it's been a little bit and I'm finished with all of my Rella related work, but right now I actually have to shoot a campaign for a whiskey company, which is really funny because I feel like whiskey is traditionally a guy's drink, just I don't know, I feel like usually that's what it's associated with, but this one is so cute. The recipe that I'm gonna make looks so good. It's this orange drink, and they gave me all of the ingredients to use. The bottle's really cute. They gave me a ton of props. I was not expecting it. It came in the most giant bag. So that is due tomorrow, so I am about to shoot that. But before I do that, I wanted to look at the brief. Whenever you work with a brand as an influencer, the brand will send you a brief which kind of goes over what type of content that they're looking for, your guidelines, do's and don'ts, what to have, what not to have. Because it's an alcohol company, there are so many rules that go along with being an alcohol company and doing a sponsorship, so I really need to look at the brief so I don't have to reshoot. But in order to organize everything, I'm actually using Rella to plan and organize and make sure I know exactly what to post, because I have one Instagram post and then I have 3 stories that I need to post, and I like planning all of them out. It just makes it so much easier on my end. So that's what I'm about to do. About to use Rella, which is really exciting, and then shoot the content. But because they sent me so many props, I have to redecorate my living room to make sure that I include all the props. They sent me a blanket, pillow, a bunch of Christmas decorations, coasters, cups, playing cards. They just sent me so much stuff, so I gotta make sure that I have all of that in my post. So I recently updated my room and I think that you guys are gonna really like it. I need your help because I need to figure out what to put on top of here, but I think it looks really pretty. So I have my bed, I have the artwork above my bed, you know, the nightstands, the plant, but what I love is I finally have storage and I have this new dresser. It's actually from Article and they did send it to me. Article is my favorite furniture store. Everything came really easily. It came already assembled and the only thing you had to do was put on the legs, which is actually insane, but I love the quality. This is like very luxurious quality. I love the, I think it's called like herringbone, that finish, you know, the thing that looks like an arrow on the wood. I'm so good at describing things, but that I just think looks so expensive. Like this just looks nice. This is so nice. And I finally have storage and I specifically searched long skinny dresser because I knew that is the only thing that could fit over here and it fit perfectly. I still have a ton of room to walk. Like I thought I was prepared to have like no room and be like shuffling my feet, but I do have room, which is still very nice. I also just added that little sheepskin rug. It's faux sheepskin, so don't worry. I don't even know if it's technically faux sheepskin. Like, I don't know what it technically is, but freaking love this. I just love it. And I'm going to show you what I put in the drawers because now if you go to my closet, I have this drawer with my sports bras, leggings, and then PJs. And then I used to have my underwear and socks in here, but now this is empty. My jewelry, I need to get a jewelry organizer because I just have it scattered. And I have so much jewelry that I need to organize it. And I literally just throw it all here. And also shout out to Kelly, my friend Kelly Stamps. She sent me her en route jewelry and it is so freaking nice. I still have it in the box because I don't want to like lose it or anything, but I need to figure out how to organize this. I have like hats and random clothes up there. I have my bathing suits up here. And yeah, that's kind of the way I've organized my closet. I just recently got this shoe rack for my closet, so it makes things a little tight, but before they were just scattered on the floor and I like couldn't close the door, and so this just like organizes it so much more. So I have all of my little mini heels on here, which I think is really cute. And now moving on to this, I have my sweatpants and leggings. These were curled up in the back of my closet, just thrown because I didn't have anywhere to put them. So I have my sweatpants, any like casual pants that aren't workout pants. This was something I desperately needed, a place to put all of my bags. So I have all my purses in one drawer. I kind of have a collection of purses, so I just needed to put them somewhere. Over here, I have my socks and underwear. I can't believe that they all fit in that tiny little basket. Over here, I have my shorts, so any denim shorts, casual shorts. And then over here, I have sweatshirts number 1. And then down here, I have sweatshirts number 2. So I have 2 places for that. But yeah, I just love the way that it looks. I think my room looks very beachy, cute, and it's totally coming together, but I need your help with figuring out what to put right here. So thank you so much, Article, for sending this to me. It literally means so much because I am obsessed with this dresser and the shipping literally took a week. And furniture shipping, if you look on any other furniture store, it's saying that it's shipping in like May of 2022, June 2022, not sure when, but like probably next year. Like it's literally so backed up, and Article is out of LA. So things get there in like literally a week. Like I ordered this last week and it came. It's crazy. So yeah, I am obsessed and I will have it linked down below. It is the next morning and I am actually going to an Aloe event. It was supposed to be on Thursday night, but there was some power outage. So now it was on Friday and Saturday. They split the day up in 2. So I'm meeting Kayla here. If you don't know, Kayla works with me at Rella and she's in law school in Tennessee. So she lives in Miami, so she's finally home for break. So we're going to hang out, taking her to the event, and then probably going to get some lunch because it's like 2 o'clock already. Strangely, I'm not hungry at all and I only ate like a handful of scrambled eggs, so I don't know why I'm not hungry because usually I wake up starving. So yeah, I don't know, but she's already here, so I'm gonna meet her. Everyone, I am Christmas shopping today. It is actually the 19th and I am wrapping up getting presents. I still haven't gotten anything for Keon and I want to exchange gifts with him on the 23rd because that's going to be the last time that we see each other until after Christmas. So I figured doing it on the 23rd is better than doing it like on New Year's, because on New Year's, you know, Christmas is past, you're not in the Christmas spirit anymore. I have no idea what to get him. I think I'm gonna get him some sneakers, some like cool streetwear sneakers. He's trying to kind of like elevate his style a little bit, but he's still super picky, so I can't go like too out of his comfort zone. So I'm at Nordstrom right now. It took me like 20 minutes to find parking, and it was one of those things where I was like waiting and waiting for parking, and then I just couldn't find it, and then I came back to the parking lot, and like the second I turned in, a car was pulling out, and I got the spot. Thank God. It was literally like, you know when there's like a million cars kind of like circling, and then all of a sudden you're in the right spot at the right time and someone's coming out? That's what it was like, and it was perfect. So I am headed to Nordstrom and hopefully going to buy a Christmas gift for him, because I literally haven't gotten him anything yet. Alright guys, so I am officially done Christmas shopping, and I want to tell you guys what I got everyone for Christmas. I'm posting this video I think around Christmas time, or maybe even a little bit after, so I don't know if this is going to help anyone, but hopefully if you're curious, it's going to help. I'm going to get situated. I want to sit down and actually like talk to you guys about this, so be right back. Alright, I put on my lip gloss, and now I'm ready. Here is what I got everyone for Christmas. I don't actually have like the physical things with me, so I'm just gonna put images on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna go down my list of everyone that I bought Christmas presents for and tell you what I got them. All right, let's start with Keon's parents. So for Keon's mom and dad, I actually got them kind of a bundled like family gift rather than each of them gifts individually. So I got them a Jiggy puzzle, which I am so excited about. I interviewed the founder of Jiggy on my podcast a while ago, but what it is, it's these like really beautiful puzzles that come from mainly I think female artists who design like the artwork for them. So it's like an actual piece of art, you're making a puzzle out of it, and then it comes with like the glue and everything that you need to frame the puzzle so that you can actually like hang it in your home and use it for decor rather than just like throwing out the puzzle and redoing it, you know, and kind of your work is all right, you're done. Like now you can actually keep it, and it's actually like a really beautiful piece of art. So I got them that, and then I also got them these cruise supply bottles, and what it is it's this like infusion kit. So you can infuse olive oil, you can infuse alcohol. I made like a spicy margarita mix with mine, so I got them an infusion kit with an old-fashioned infusion. They make drinks, syrups, oils, like whatever they want in this kit, and their family is really big on like cooking and the kitchen. Like they love like a good kitchen, so I thought that this was perfect for them. And I also got them a bottle of wine. I'm giving that to them soon, and that is what I got to Keon's parents. My older sister, I got her a plant. She recently bought a house, so I wanted to give her a little housewarming gift, so I got her a snake plant. It's very easy to take care of, and I thought that it was a really cute plant. For Chloe, I actually got her a Set Active set. She really wanted one. She hasn't had one ever, and it's my favorite brand. So while I was buying for her, I actually bought myself the matching pair, but with biker shorts. So I got her this like lime green Set Active set, and it was on sale for Black Friday. For my brother Lucas, I actually got him this vintage Miami Heat t-shirt. He's really big on the NBA. He loves the Miami Heat, and he's kind of into street style, like not too street style, but he does like, you know, like the cool t-shirts and all of that stuff. So I found one on, I think it was Etsy. It was like a vintage Miami Heat t-shirt, and I loved it, so gave that to him. As for my co-founder Connor, so I got him a back massager. These gifts are so random. I don't know what to get, guys, so I'm like, well, I like this, so here you go. So I thought it'd be good, you know, rest, relaxation. I feel like he would like it. So it was a back massager from Amazon. These are not like sentimental gifts at all. I was just like, I think that you'll enjoy it. So that's what I got him from there. My other co-founder Nick, I got him some slippers. Again, the most random gifts. I don't know what to get, guys, but they're like really nice slippers, had amazing reviews, and for some reason I just thought he would like it. I don't know if he will, but and that's what gift receipts are for. So I got him these like really fuzzy slippers. I don't know. They're like they look like socks and they're very warm and nice. How do you shop for guys? I don't know how to shop for guys, especially guy friends. Your boyfriend, okay, you know each other, you can do experience together, but like just a random guy, I'm like, how do I shop for you? For my mom, I got my mom and my dad the same gift. I got them tickets to see Andrea Bocelli in Charlotte. My dad is absolutely obsessed with him. He loves his music. He's always playing it. He's always sending us his music. So I found out that he was coming to Charlotte and I got them tickets to that. And they're like decent seats. So I think that they'll actually really enjoy that. And as for Keon, I am so nervous to give this gift to him. I got him the Nike and Off-White collab, the low dunks, and I'm obsessed with these shoes. I think they're so cool and like really trendy, and not even just trendy, but I just think they're cool and they're kind of like really cool to wear, but also a collectible at the same time. So I got him those, but they were so expensive and I don't know if he's gonna like them. He really wants to, you know, elevate his style. He wants to wear more streetwear. He wants to like dress cooler, and so these are like the perfect shoe to do that. But he's also really picky, and so doesn't like getting too out of his comfort zone, and I know that these are out of his comfort zone. So I literally just texted my friend Tochi, and do you know anyone who has pics on Instagram of them wearing the Nike Off-White low dunks? I got some for Keon for Christmas and I can't return them, and now I'm freaking out because they were so out of his comfort zone, haha, and they were so expensive. So I want to see how other people style them, because I know he's gonna be like, I don't know how to wear these, so I want to come prepared with like images, like here are different outfit choices. But I don't know, I just am so nervous. I don't know if he's gonna like them, and I can't return them. I can only get store credit, and this place that I got it from, it's like very like streetwear type of sneakers. So I mean, worst case, he'll return them and get like another pair of sneakers, but I feel it in my gut he's not gonna like it. But I bought them and I felt good, and like an hour later I was like, I don't know if I should have bought them. So yeah, that's kind of my situation with that. I would wear them. If me and him were the same size, I would wear them. And for my manager, Taylor, I actually got her a really nice like pillow looking robe, and then also a really cute diffuser. I kind of want it in my apartment also, but I got her like a really nice diffuser also. So that is what I got her. That is what I got everyone for Christmas. I would love to know what you got everyone for Christmas. So if you want to put down your gift choices, that would be great, so we can all see it. We can all kind of just be curious and kind of see what everyone else got. But that's what I got people for Christmas. Let me know if you think these are good gifts, bad gifts. I could have done better. But anyways, I think I'm going to end the video here. I wanted this to be just a very chill vlog showing you some new additions of my room, Christmas shopping, all of that good stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.